Hello, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Happy New Year to all our new subscribers and also to our return subscribers. Thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please do us a favor and subscribe to this channel. Do us a big favor and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys very much. This is an update on the feed. That's the starter feed. I talked about it some time ago on our previous video. If you haven't watched those videos, please, you can check on our video, the vlog 44, and then you will get some information about it. But so far so good. Like I always say, feed has been very scarce and very expensive, and since we started this new feed on the piglets, we have seen transformation, we have seen changes. I don't know if some of you were able to implement those starter feeds. Just give us a comment in the comment box. Let us know what is going on. But so far so good. We get like 3 months, 4 months, and some 5 months how you call it, piglets that we've been feeding for some time with a new formula. But it has been on and off because of the shortage of the feed. But so far so good. We were expecting to get about 60 kilos plus, but we try to weigh them to establish the improvement or progress so far in them. And like I said, it's 3 group of piglets now, and when we weigh them, we realize that some of them were below the target, some of them were above, which was very exciting, and some of them were right there. So we try as much as we can to maintain and improve the quality of the feed, and also for the piglets as well. So far so good. If you check the weight, you will realize that some of them were between let's say 30 to 51 kilograms, and we were expecting to hit like 51 kilograms with the piglets, most of them, but we didn't get most of them like that. And as you can see, some of them are bigger than the others, and we need to separate them, group the sizes, because the age doesn't really matter. This sow is expecting, and like you see, today is the due date, and peacefully, as I said in our previous video, that we were expecting, we were gonna be busy from December. Unfortunately, the December couldn't happen, and January, here we come with some big do's, and we are gonna be very busy. That is why I also talk about the expansion this year, and that is what we're gonna concentrate on in the coming videos, we're gonna concentrate on constructing new pens for the pigs because we are overcrowded. Some of the pens need renovation here and there, and we need to act quickly. Well, like I said, guys, so far so good. This is what is going on in the farm. As you can see, we are increasing. We keep on increasing, and we are expecting to, hit our targets by June, July. Hey, I can't wait. Yes, by June, July, we are expecting to hit about 150, which is possible. Everything is possible. Then we will stabilize things and we will take it from there. And keep on following us, keep on watching our videos, and please subscribe to our channel as well. If you haven't subscribed, do us a favor and hit the subscribe button so that when we share any video, you will be the first to know. But guys, we really thank you. We appreciate you guys for your contribution and suggestions here and there, and your support for this channel. It has not been easy at all. Like I always say, whatever you want to do, just put your heart to it and keep going, because it really takes passion to do what we're doing. But it is good as well, and anybody can do it. So thank you all for watching our video. Thank you all for your support as well. And like I said, in the coming months, we're gonna take that big project and we're gonna expand as much as possible, because you all know, as we started small, and we're gonna grow big because our vision is big and we know we can do it. But so far so good. We're gonna sort them out, separate them by sizes like I said, and then we will take it from there. If you have any suggestion, any contribution, any ideas that you want to share with us to make us a better way, just remember that we just had our first year just somewhere October, November, and we are trying as much as we can to move on, to increase, to progress. So without you guys, hey, we can't be there. And try as much as you can and push us by subscribing to our channel, hitting the notification button, and share. Guys, thank you once again, and watch out for our next video. Happy New Year to you all. Enjoy and stay blessed. Bye.